Turkey's foreign minister says the country will continue its gas exploration in waters off Cyprus, but that's only until the Greek Cypriot government accepts a proposal put forward by a Turkish Cypriot leader. The plan suggests both parties on the divided island to cooperate in gas exploration, which could contribute to stability and peace in the eastern Mediterranean. Tensions there have been high after Turkey told energy firms not to work with the Greek Cypriot government. It comes as a result of overlapping claims to disputed waters between Turkey and Cyprus.